I centered? I don't like that I can't see myself. Alright, just testing this remote. I hope it's recording. I'll hit it again, just kidding. I don't know, I hope that works. You think you're gonna shoot a quick 2-minute video. I've been up here for like an hour. Whatever. Maybe I should get someone to help me because I don't even know if it's recording. Here we go. Here we go. I like hitting this button, but I don't know if it actually... Balling on a budget. Well, I mean, I guess it looks better because it's black, right? I can't tell it's like my soccer. It was like a soccer mom on the field chair, you know, like your mom would bring. Everyone's gonna ask about my hat. No, I honestly didn't think about my outfit. This is on brand for me. My brand. Can't say but we're gonna be real, right? We have a bleep button. We can bleep. Okay, let's do this. Let's actually do this. It's itchy when it's not winter. All for YouTube and the gram, I guess. Whoa, food's here. Hold on, hold that thought. Babe! Will you bring me a straw? Will you bring a straw? Well, let's wait for him to bring the straw, I guess. Thanks. Oh. Do this. Thanks. Yeah. Alright. I think we got it. I think that's good. I think it's pointing right at my crotch. Where's the button? Oh. Huh. Jesus. Moses. Good? Good? Yeah. Okay. I think we can actually start. Oh God. All right, let's start this for real. My name. All right. My name is Laura Frazier. I'm a national educator and a hairdresser and, you know, Charleston's local badass. I gave myself that one. But anyway, if you stumbled upon this video or if you found it through a link, welcome. Starting a YouTube page. I'm finally doing it. What's gonna be on it? I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But I literally wrote down like, what's my channel about? I just need it to be different. Okay, I'm really sick of some of these tutorials and how-tos and hacks that, one, don't really solve any problems of mine behind the chair or whatever, that are not entertaining, and they're the same every time. And I'll be swearing on my videos, on my channel. So that being said, welcome. Welcome to the revolution. It will be televised here on YouTube. Like and subscribe, please, to follow along. And if you don't, it's probably okay because I'm going to post it on Instagram and Facebook and all that. Yeah, so we're going to do hair problems and solutions, hacks, how-tos. It's going to be funny. Can I say? It's YouTube, right? I can say that. I'll bleep it out. This way, I like to swear. Doesn't mean my audience likes to hear it. Or if the kids are watching, I'll bleep it out. I'll bleep it out. I got it. So you can watch it and the kids won't hear anything. Forget about that part. And then my favorite segment of my channel will be hairdresser confessions. I know what you're thinking. There's like a million videos floating around the internet like this. No, there ain't. Ain't. I'm actually a stickler for grammar and I cannot believe I'll have to edit that. Maybe I'll bleep ain't out. Anyway, the confessions will come from hairdressers all over the world. I've already got a whole list of them somewhere. And some on my phone, and in true Laura organizational fashion on my iPad, on my laptop. They're just everywhere. So anyway, we're gonna confess some stuff that drives us crazy, even though we love you. But I'm also gonna have some of my clients confess things that drive them crazy about the beauty industry or us hairdressers or whatever. It's all in good fun. It'll be hilarious. It'll be great. There'll be no negativity tolerated. I don't know. I guess that's it. Should there be more bloopers? There should not be the amount of bloopers that I have. But anyway, that's it. Welcome to my channel. It's gonna fun. It's gonna fun. Let me start that. We'll edit that out. Welcome to my channel. It's gonna be fun. Just bird talked. Welcome to my channel. It's gonna be fun. End. I'm really digging this clicker. I should end all my videos. I feel like I'm like an anchor woman. Today's breaking news is I don't know what to talk about. I do know what to talk about. If you've stumbled upon this video, get out now. Oh my God. Why I get nothing done. I'm here to educate you. Oh. Get out of the frame. I don't know if you can see it because I can't see myself. There's the cat back there. Okay. Wait a minute. What am I talking about?